So it's pretty much been all but confirmed as to the specs and the design of the Samsung Galaxy S9, and it's going to be packing pretty much what you'd expect, at least as far as the specs on the leaked box go. We have a 5.8-inch Quad HD Plus display with rounded corners, which gives you about 5.6 inches of real estate. There's a 12 megapixel shooter on the back, which appears to have a variable aperture between f1.5 and f2.4. It seems to be packing 4 gigabytes of RAM and 64 gigabytes of internal storage, and we do have the regulars like wireless charging, IP68 dust and water resistance, things like that. Additionally, it looks like we're going to have a super slow-mo mode for the rear camera. We have an 8 megapixel auto-focusing front-facing camera, and yes, it even does say stereo speakers, so that's all some good stuff to look forward to. And while all that stuff is nice and dandy, I was interested to see what you guys wanted in the Galaxy S9, so I put it out on Twitter and Instagram and Facebook, gathered some questions here, and well, here we go. These are the top 5 features that you want in the Galaxy S9. So one of the features that I saw come across more than anything else is the fact that people want a 120 Hz display on the Galaxy S9, and well, unfortunately, I just don't see that happening at this point in time. It was very nice to see with the Razer phone. It makes a huge difference, but I think that's something that we can look to expect on the Galaxy Note 9. Next up, we've got requests for an in-display fingerprint sensor, and I actually had a chance to check out one of these during CES 2018, and I'll link that video below for you. It's made by Synaptics, and it was being used in a Vivo phone, and it actually works pretty good. Unfortunately though, due to the leaks and renders and stuff of the Galaxy S9, it looks like we're just going to have the fingerprint sensor on the back, slightly rearranged for better placement, but sadly nothing underneath the display. Another request here is the fact that the S9 should have a more durable body, especially on a phone that you're going to pay upwards of $800 to $1,000 for, and I'm going to have to agree with that. All the Gorilla Glass in the world will not make a glass phone not glass. I mean, it's glass. If you drop it, it's going to break, glass scratches. There are just factors here that make glass phones less durable, but unfortunately, I don't think Samsung is going to move away from the glass design due to it using wireless charging, and nobody wants to go backwards to plastic, so I guess until we revolutionize glass on phones, you can kind of expect the same results. Moving along to software requests, being able to remap the Bixby button would actually be pretty cool if we had some native solution there, because you know what? Not everybody wants Bixby. That's just how it goes. And on top of that, to be able to keep the phone running fluidly 6 to 12 months down the line. You know, any phone that's running a near stock Android build with a Snapdragon 835 or potentially higher should have no problem running Android. It just should be flawless altogether, so definitely something that Samsung should work on for the Galaxy S9. Now, one final request is that the Galaxy S9 once again would feature an IR blaster, and I personally didn't use it very much, but I know a lot of you out there did, and let me know if you're one of those in the comments section below. But having an IR blaster would be nice, and let's also hope that they keep the headphone jack. Oh, and one additional bonus here, I know a lot of people were asking for a larger battery capacity, right? Because that can't hurt anybody. I'll personally take a bit of a thicker phone for more battery, but it looks like Samsung is dropping in a 3000 and 3500 milliamp hour battery in the S9 and the S9 Plus respectively. So it looks like we're just getting a slight iteration of the entire phone this year, which isn't necessarily a bad thing, but let me know what you think about that in the comment section below. Additionally, I will leave all of the leaks and rumors and links that you need to read to know more about the Galaxy S9 down in the description, so be sure to check those out and let me know what you think about all of this in general. What's your favorite feature that's coming out on the Galaxy S9? Thank you so much for watching, everyone. This is Dom, and I'll catch you in the next video.